James Kaufman, World News Report today. Today is February 11th, 2025. God bless you and yours, no matter where you are in the world. Please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, ring that bell for critical future updates. Ladies and gentlemen, we need to put all these clawbacks happening from all these liberal judges around the country. They're shopping for these judges. We need to get this in front of the Supreme Court immediately and see if they're able to override an executive order. The people's mandate. Meanwhile, the NIH has been cleared of all wrongdoing by some liberal judge, and all of the funding that was halted or paused is back in action. And as you'll see here, a lot of that funding went to the Clinton Global Initiative and, of course, their daughter, and, well, $3 million for their daughter's wedding. How'd you like paying for it? I can't wait to pay my taxes. What about you?
Hillary Clinton, she's worried about her family name. She's worried about her family name after this $84 million from USAID that was supposed to go to the people in Haiti. All of this is coming out. She posted on X after a box labeled Bill and Hillary Clinton with receipts totaling $83,624,489 was found. Hillary Clinton posted on X that there are some false claims going around about her family and about the Clinton Foundation, saying it's very important to correct the record, saying that they have helped millions and millions of people across America and across the world, and it is very important to know that their family doesn't earn anything from this work, and that Chelsea Clinton did not receive any of this money. However, we learned from Doge that the USAID did give the Clinton Foundation $84 million, and from that relief effort, there are line items showing that Chelsea Clinton received $10 million for a beautiful mansion to live in and $3 million for a beautiful wedding. So us taxpayers, we paid for Chelsea Clinton's beautiful wedding, for her $10 million mansion.
Line items.
Clintons, they need to live a luxury life in America, while all of us need to work 2 to 3 jobs in America just to survive. And the Clintons can give their only daughter a $10 million mansion.
Now we finally can put her in jail where she belongs. Or can we? It doesn't seem like anything ever happens to the bad guys, does it? I don't know about the rest of you guys, but based on what I've seen, I can hardly wait to pay and file my taxes this year. I mean, are we going to race for the filing drawer, me and you?
I just went in and had my taxes done. This year I earned $85,727. My net take home was $75,415. In federal taxes, I paid $10,312, and now they're telling me I still owe the federal government $1,428 for a total of $11,740 just in federal tax. Now, somebody please explain to me why the average citizen, the little guy, is paying $11,000 in tax, and our politicians are blowing that money on bullshit. I'm not paying taxes anymore. Kiss my...
I'm somewhat on board with this gentleman. Kiss my bicholi. God bless you guys. Keep giving them money. You see what they do with it now. It's unbelievable. Please share, subscribe, and always remember, anything's possible. Bizarro world.